Hello everyone, welcome to Moneyism. Welcome to pre-market report on 6th April. Let us see the Nifty performance yesterday. Nifty opened around 14,837 level. After that, there was a huge sell-off in Nifty. Nifty has touched around 14,459 level. In the afternoon, there was a good amount of recovery. So almost Nifty recovered around 200 points and closed around minus 200 points. If you see the Bank Nifty open around 33,640 level. It has touched almost 32,400 level. So almost 1,300 points fell after small recovery, and it has closed around 971 points. So let us see the HX Nifty performance, which is Nifty trading around 14,723. So it's almost a flat opening for Nifty. So 14,700 somewhere here. Yeah. You can see a flat opening in Nifty. And let us see the world market. US market closed more than 1.5% today. Dow Jones, S&P 500, and Nasdaq all closed more than 1.5%. So US market is really bullish. And if you see the European market also closed really positive only. But Asian markets were positive in the market in the morning. But right now it's slightly, there is a small kind of sell off in uh, Shanghai and other markets. So only Hang Seng is Hang Seng is really positive, but Kospi is slightly negative. So it's a mixed view for Asian markets, but European market and US markets are really bullish yesterday. So we can see a small positive opening maybe in Nifty around 14,700 level. Let us see the FI activity yesterday. FI started selling around 900 crores. So we have to be very cautious. Whenever they are selling more than 1,000 crores, we can see this kind of sell off in our market. So they sold 931 crores, and whereas DI they simply bought 75 crores. So there is no much activity from DIs. So let us see how the market will perform today. If you see the open interest in Nifty, yeah. So yesterday, you see here 14,800, 900, 15,000. All these areas calls were written aggressive. So I don't think Nifty will cross 15,000 in this expiry, because 14,800 itself is a huge resistance for Nifty. So we can see 14,600 is having a good amount of shadow is there. So they will not allow to move Nifty either way, either 14,500 or 14,700. So Nifty will be range bound for this expiry, but volatility will be there since there is RBI policy is there tomorrow. So Nifty will be also little bit volatile, but Bank Nifty will be definitely volatile tomorrow. So Nifty will be trading around this 14,500 to 14,700 for this expiry. And let us see the Bank Nifty also. Yeah, Bank Nifty also, if you see every 500 level, 33,000, 34,000, 33,500, all these levels, good amount of call writings are there. So Bank Nifty is facing huge resistance around 33,000 itself. If there's any positive outcome from the RBI policy, maybe this range is broken, maybe it will go higher. But right now, Bank Nifty looks really bearish and so weak. If you see the easier also, it's 0.5. So it's almost oversold, but there will be some short covering expected of RBI policy. So let us see the Bank Nifty chart. So it's almost huge sell off from this level. So I'm expecting some kind of pullback around this 34,700 level. But we have to wait and watch. And yesterday, guys, all the technical people uh, uh, thinking around Nifty will be opening around positive. It will touch 15,000, but due to rising in Maharashtra and the partial lockdown in all Mumbai and other areas in Maharashtra, so that's a negative news for the Nifty. And Mumbai is the economic city in India, so huge sell-off came. So whenever we are analyzing this one, we cannot be sure that Nifty will move this range, or Bank Nifty will be. It's all kind of analysis only. Whenever you are trading, don't take it anything as a benchmark or something. Whenever your position is going opposite side, you have to know how to handle it. So we cannot be sure. Okay, we have told that 15,000 is the range, but Nifty fell around 400 points. So what to do? So it's not a question. So if your position is going against you, you should know how to adjust it. So please keep it in mind, guys. So this all kind of analysis. So nobody can predict the Nifty or Bank Nifty or any stock movement in the market. So as long as you're in market, go with the trend. If the trend is negative, you try to be a seller. If trend is positive, you go as a buyer. So don't predict anything in the market. That's it, guys. uh, have a safe trading. Happy trading to all. Thank you.